Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, how do I get rid of roaches in my apartment? In most cases, your landlord should be more concerned about this than you. However, if you feel the need to take matters into your own hands, don't worry, we got your back. Getting rid of roaches in an apartment unit is very similar to getting rid of roaches in a house. First thing you have to do is clean up your living space and cut off all their food sources. Then use products like Apex Cockroach Gel, a lethal bait that cockroaches will take back to the nest for total colony elimination. Then apply novacide aerosol to floor surfaces and baseboards. This will kill adult cockroaches on contact, prevent eggs from hatching, and stop nymphs from growing into more adult roaches. Next, apply defense dust to those tight cracks and crevices your previous treatments didn't reach. This will kill any remaining roaches in spots you can't see. The last step is the same as the first. Continue to keep a clean apartment. As long as you deny food and water to any wandering roach, they'll skip over your apartment and maybe invade your neighbors. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Then apply novusal aerosol to floor surfaces and baseboards.
Once more, you said novusal.
Nope, didn't know. It's the new product. It's Novacide Plus is novusal.